Hello and welcome to this BizMates Words and Phrases video series. And today's idiom is bring something to the table. Bring something to the table. Okay, what does this mean? We will find out. But first, let's do our test. So I'm very detailed, and I say, maybe we should use a smaller font size here. And you say? Perfect. That's right. You're splitting hairs. The font size is fine. Don't worry. Okay, let's go on to today's idiom. Bring something to the table. This is a great business idiom. Okay? But here's what I sometimes hear. Let's imagine Taro and I are having a meeting. Well, let's say many people are having a meeting. And I say, okay, we're ready to start the meeting. And Taro says, okay, what ideas do you have? Perfect sentence, by the way. This is perfect. What ideas do you have? Nice and simple. But if you want to use a cool idiom like this, you could say, bring something to the table. Okay? It just means what value can you add? In this case, ideas. What ideas did you bring to this meeting? Like this. Let me show you. So I say, okay, we're ready to start the meeting. And Taro says, okay, what ideas have you brought to the table? Whoa, natural. That is natural. He sounds like a native speaker. What ideas have you brought to the table? Okay? So, it means to add something valuable, okay? It's usually something valuable, like ideas, suggestions, advice, skills, okay? What can you bring to the table? And the table doesn't just mean the meeting table. It could be a project team. Okay, well, what can this new guy bring to the table? Well, yeah, he can bring English and Japanese skills. He speaks both fluently. He can bring that to the team. So it really means to add value. Okay? So, what ideas have you brought to the table? Okay, so let's look at pronunciation. It's what ideas? What ideas have you brought to the table? What ideas have you brought to the table? You try. Okay, with my question or sentence. Okay, we're ready to start the meeting. Perfect. Okay, so for homework, next time I will say, okay, we're ready to start the meeting. And you say, what ideas have you brought to the table? Please remember this, and we will see you next time. Thank you.